Hello guys, welcome back to David's R&R, where today in this hopefully short video I'm going to be taking apart a Stanley socket wrench, small one. Pretty sure it's a one quarter drive, maybe a 3/8 drive, and we're going to be seeing what went wrong with it. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So it appears I do have the right size. I've kind of stripped out that bolt's been stripped out somehow. I've never opened this thing. I've had it brand new from the factory, So I want to see what went wrong with this thing. So in order for us to do that, we're gonna need to zoom in a little more. There's that annoying yellow haze on my screen. Maybe I can. That flashes down there enough. Hold on. Alright. That's a little bit better. Okay. So we have our wrench here, right? We have our gear. I'm going to take this out. The gear. Focus. Get some light on it. Focus. The gear appears to be okay. There doesn't appear to be a lot of stripped parts off of it. You guys can see all the gear indentations in it. So I still don't quite understand why this isn't working. The push button, again, action on this thing. It is pushing. Oh, that's good. My teeth are even good. I don't get what's wrong with it. Well, and I don't know if you can tell this, but those teeth are good on the jaws. Even on this one, the teeth are good. Nothing's stripped on it. So I don't understand why this isn't working. Well, after a lot of investigating, guys, I know this is after the fact, but after further investigation, I found out that this is how this should be. Okay, so you have this here. Imagine this, what I'm doing right here, is inside that housing. You guys probably can't even see because my hand's shaking so bad. That spring goes inside, there's a slot in there. And then this piece, there you go. That spring goes inside of there. And then that goes on inside of there. There's a slot down in there. You guys probably can't see it. But that all goes in that slot. And then these are supposed to interlock together. So that way whenever this thing moves, it pushes under and on one of these because there's a slot and it goes underneath the slot. There. Just to go underneath, there's a little lip there it goes underneath. And that spins your gear and selects your gear. But it doesn't want to work. Now to add to what I already said. The pieces, there's two little pieces that were broken apart, actually broke clean in half, and that's why they appear to be two separate halves to me. I didn't understand what was going on. Now you can see one of them in your top right corner has been assembling this wrench in the background. Maybe I'll get a better shot of them. The two gear pieces, the ones right there, that one, and if we can get the other one in the picture, right there, those two pieces, they're supposed to be one whole piece, and they are not. So that's what happened. It snapped in half, and they're supposed to be one whole piece. So that's what went on, guys. If you guys enjoyed this short little teardown of a Stanley socket wrench, like, subscribe, comment maybe. But yep. Well, this is David signing out. Peace.